If you're seeing a Lucidchart payment error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to check your billing settings, troubleshoot your card, and contact Lucid support if needed. This is a simple step-by-step guide for anyone whose subscription payment is failing, getting declined, or not going through properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, go to Lucid and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon or your initials. From the menu that appears, choose Account Settings. This is where Lucid keeps your account and billing details, so this is the first place you want to check when a payment issue happens. After that, on the left-hand menu, click Plans and Billing. This section shows your current plan, your payment method, and any billing-related information connected to your account. If the payment error is caused by outdated card details, an expired card, or a mismatch in billing information, you'll usually spot it here. Now look under your plans and find your payment method. If you see an edit or update button, click it and re-enter your billing details carefully. Make sure the card number, expiry date, CVV, billing name, and billing address are all entered exactly as they appear on your bank records. Even a small mismatch in the address can cause a failed payment, so take your time here and double check every detail before saving. If the payment still fails after updating your billing information, the next thing to do is check your bank or card directly. Make sure there are enough funds available or that your credit card has enough available credit. If you're using a debit or credit card, confirm that online payments are enabled. In some cases, international transactions also need to be turned on, especially if your bank treats Lucid as an overseas charge. If the card was declined, contact your bank and ask whether they blocked the transaction. Sometimes banks automatically stop unfamiliar subscription payments for security reasons. Once the issue is resolved on the banking side, go back to Lucid and try the payment again. In many cases, simply retrying after the bank clears the charge is enough to fix the problem. If you've checked your billing information and your card still isn't working, it's time to contact Lucid support. To do that, stay signed into your Lucidchart account and click the Help icon or open the Help Center. From there, choose Contact Support. Next, click the Billing option, then select the Failed Payment option. Scroll down through the Help article until you see the option to contact Lucid support. When you fill out the support form, describe the payment error as clearly as possible. Include the exact error message if you saw one, mention your payment method, your account email, and any attachments that could help the support team understand the issue. Make your subject line short but specific, and explain the problem properly in the description field. The more details you provide, the faster they can help you. Once everything is filled in, submit your request and wait for a response from Lucid's support team. They can help confirm whether the issue is with your billing details, your card issuer, or your account itself. So that's how to fix a Lucidchart payment error step by step. First, check your account settings and billing details, then verify your card with your bank, and finally contact support if the issue continues. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides, and I'll see you in the next video.